Welcome to the channel with me, Dr. Durst. If you are new to the channel, I am a traditionally trained physician that specializes in regenerative medicine with a focus on sexual health. And today, I wanted to talk about a supplement that we recommend for a very common condition known as BPH or benign prostatic hyperplasia. That's a common condition because the prostate surrounds the urethra at the neck of the bladder, so where the bladder enters the urethra. So if it gets enlarged, it compresses the urethra, and therefore you're going to have urinary symptoms as a man. So you may have a weak flow, you might have start or stop, you might not be emptying it fully. You might wake up in the middle of the night, feel the urge to go, but really can't empty. So you have that frequency and that urgency, but aren't emptying your bladder fully. And a lot of times they're using medications. In severe conditions, they can do surgery, but there is a supplement that has very positive reviews, and all the feedback from our men and on previous videos with comments is that it's very, very helpful. And there's some studies to support that. So there is a meta-analysis done in 2000, and it showed about 1,500 men treated with Pygeum, and they were twice as likely to report improvement of symptoms, but 19% less in nocturnal, increase in urination. So you're getting up in the middle of the night to go, and also a 23% decrease in residual bladder volume. And then you also had an increase in peak flow of urination. So those are huge symptoms, 2 times more likely to have improvement of symptoms. The problem is that study or the meta-analysis did not show a comparison to traditional medicines, and it didn't compare different doses. We will have a link in the show notes for places to get and some products we recommend. We don't have any yet that are medical grade, but these are great products. We have had patients use them. We have had great feedback from it. So try it out. Let me know what you think. But the added bonus is that it can increase your ejaculate volume, which men, increases your orgasmic strength. So better orgasms, more intense orgasms, and a better prostate. It's a win-win, and men are reporting that's exactly what happens. So let me know if you've tried it. Let me know your comments, and if you have any products you prefer, if you have other things that have been recommended, such as medicines, because there's side effects. We want to hear everything in your comparison with Pygeum to those medications. Remember, I'm willing to deep dive into anything sexual wellness or wellness.